What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rahina here, and welcome back to the Passion Belt YouTube channel. If you guys have never been here before, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We are just about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I am super excited about that. But anyway, guys, today we're going to be diving into a topic I never thought we'd talk about on this channel, and that is saddlebags. Now, this right here is a 1998 Suzuki Bandit 1200S that I got as a parts bike from motopartsource.com. Now, with this bike, I did receive a pair of saddlebags that came equipped with it and hid some damage that I did not notice until I got back to the shop. So when I started doing my inspection on the bike and actually washed the bike down, I noticed that the paint in the front was just really, really nice, all the way up to here. And then you start noticing that the paint is a little faded. Now right here, didn't think too much about it because this is a common wear spot. You're obviously gonna have your legs going through right there. If you're wearing denim all the time and this is your daily ride, you're gonna have a lot of rubbing right there, and that may cause a little bit of fade in your paint. But this right here could definitely be saved with a cut and buff from a professional detailer. Now, one thing I didn't check on this bike when I picked it up, but really didn't care to even, look too closely at, was underneath these saddlebags. So when I got back to the shop and I lifted up the saddlebag, I noticed a world of damage. One, all this paint on the rear fairing is all gone. Like you can see, it's just super worn. This right here is actually worn down to the plastic, so like there's no saving that. There's no cut and buff that could save that. If you put touch-up paint on there, it's definitely gonna look noticeable. So this rear fairing would need to be completely just repainted by a body shop. And then also the exhaust, look at this. All of the, I don't know, the shine and sheer that was on this is just gone. And it's just super worn away. And then obviously you can see that the bag is definitely responsible for that. You have this huge indentation on it from where the saddlebag was sitting on this exhaust for God knows how long. And then same thing, if you come over to the other side of the bike, you'll notice, look at the strap where it's coming down, lift up the saddlebag, paint is super worn right there. So this right here, if like this was a bike that I was gonna sell as a whole bike, I would definitely take the time to actually get this rear fairing removed, send it off to a paint shop, and have it refinished. So, and then the paint work would actually match with the rest of the bike, because this bike right here, it did have some pretty nice paint work all the way to the rear fairing. So guys, this isn't a video of me hating on saddlebags per se. I do know that they definitely serve a purpose. They are super functional, but this is more of like an informative video that if you do plan on getting a pair of saddlebags for your bike, just make sure that you take some precautions. Maybe you can go and add like a clear layer of the vinyl wrap that they have. Like it's like a protective film. And you could just put that over this rear section right here. Nobody would see it, and it would just be protecting your paint from getting worn away by the saddles. That's just something that, I don't know, my opinion, what you guys can do. For your exhaust, I'm not too sure about what you could have done to protect that. Maybe if you would just take off your saddlebags regularly, wash the bike, and then polish that up regularly. But either way though, it is really a shame to see all of this damage right here just from a leather saddlebag. But then again, it is what it is, But anyway, guys, I hope you learned something from this video. If it helped you out in any way, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, smash that subscribe button. Like I said, we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, guys. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Peace.